Hello and welcome to Winning Minute with Dolores McKenzie, the place where you can come to get tips of how to better build a stronger financial foundation. I want you to get your pen and paper ready, and I have for you today 3 tips that can help you. First of all, my question is, why is it that only 5% of Canadians or North Americans or people in general that retires wealthy? Why is that so? So I want to give you 3 things that they do, which some think it's secret. I don't think it is, but I'll share with you these 3 secrets that can help you get from that out of that 95% into that 5% of retiring wealthy. First, you need to know exactly what it is you want. Yes, you have to know exactly what you want. Because if you don't know what you want, you don't know how to get it. You don't know you don't even know the first step. So first of all, write down your goal. Write it down. What is it you want to achieve for you financially? Or what is it? What is that burning thing inside of you that you want to achieve? So first off, write that down. And my second question is, number 2, what are you willing to do to get it? What are you willing to give up? Is it sleep? Is it television? Is it, I don't know. You have to answer that question for yourself. What is it that you're willing to give up to get to where you want? You see, we're each given opportunities. We're each given a purpose in life. And once we find that purpose, we are to encourage the growth of that purpose, and our lives will lead towards fulfilling it. So what is the thing that you are hanging on to that is creating that block from getting you to that purpose and to your goal? And what are you willing to give up in order to get there? And number 3, what are you willing to do? Are you ready to take action? Because if you have a dream or a goal and you only lip sync about it, you don't take action, it becomes a nightmare. And it becomes an ever-ending cycle of not getting to where you want to go. So what are you willing to do? So those are the 3 questions that you have to ask yourself. And once you can answer those, make sure you know what you want. And what is it that you are willing to give up? Is it sleep? Is it money? Is it television? Is it family time? What is it that you're willing to give up in order to achieve that goal? And thirdly, what are you willing to do? Are you willing to make the sacrifice? Are you willing to put some elbow grease towards getting that goal? So those are my tips for you today. It's great rapping with you. I enjoy sharing this wonderful blue marble space with you. Have a blessed and prosperous day, and I'll talk to you again soon. Ciao.